The previous video is the COB production process, which is the treatment of semiconductor soils, and this video I will introduce the COB Light Source and the detailed COB production process. And it will going to be a very interesting video. So if you are interested in the LED, and don't forget to subscribe our channels, and here we go. Current light sources are divided to two types, COBs and SMD. The principle of LED light emittings have been described in the first videos, and let's review the principle of LED light emitting. At the core of an LED is a piece of semiconductor divided into positive and negative terminals. When the current is applied to the chip through the wire, the electrons are pushed towards the P regions, where they reunite with the holes and emit energies and in the form of photon. COB Light Source is a high luminous efficiency integrity surface light source technology, which is LED chip is directly passed on the mirror's metal substrate with high refractive rate. LED chips are directly packaged on the whole substrate. That is, semiconductors are inherited and integrated together on the inner substrate for packaging. COB Light Source technology is mainly used to solve the problem of high-power LED lamp with small power chip, which can display the heat dissipation of chip, improve the light efficiency, and improve the glare effect of LED lamps. COB have high luminous flash densities, less glare, and soft light, which emits a uniformly distributed luminous surface.